We are in the second day of November. I am clear coating the metallic fusion that's on the plastic parts with a master clear from Modern Masters, their metallic paint collection, because we're really not quite sure what the high solids will do with that fusion, but the Modern Masters is pretty sturdy, and these aren't areas that we're going to be cleaning like bathrooms and such. So I've gone through and I've done that with all of the things that I've painted silver. As I've mentioned in some of my videos, we have some paint that's about to hit the end of its shelf life. It was opened back in June of 2022, so it's been on the shelves for a couple of years. And rather than just letting it go to waste, we are using it for our project here. We've only got about 6 different colors with it, so there's not a lot to work with. But I have taken the yellow and the semi-green and the blue metallic to mix this green color. I am matching the green that is in all of our upholstery. Everything else is kind of your tans and browns, but there's this little bit of green in our upholstery material. And so that's what I'm trying to achieve with my paint. I have finished with the inside with just a hint of that color that's in all of the upholstery, and added some jungle leaves. Again, all going with our adventure theme. All right, busy day today, busy day. So I finished the interior of the screen door. We've got our jungle theming done on the panels. I'm now working on painting the main window that goes in the front. Also cleaning the main window that goes in the front, and we'll paint it so that it can go back in, because Cory is moving quite along on the front of the trailer. He has managed to get in the luan and cut out the window, and he is now trying to get the contact adhesive to get it to all stick together. Then foam will go on, another piece of luan will be cut and put in place, and the window will go back in.
So what I'm about to do next is try to get in between here and put all the contact adhesive so the fiberglass
has more structure.
Actually bonds to something now, because it wasn't bonded to anything before.
And there's been all kinds of discoveries as we take things apart. Some of the fiberglass is pretty chewed up. Cory's going to wait to do the fiberglass repairs on that until everything's in place, so that it structurally is all
flat and lined up, because I don't want to do fiberglass on something that's wavy and then
you never get it straight again.
Sideways after that.
Yeah. So, yay us! It's moving along.
It's moving forward. This is together now. I think it has more structure at this point than whenever the window was in before, because that whole window.
Oh yeah.
Was just bouncing.
Well, everything was rotted. Everything in this front end was completely rotted.
And then the stuff that was there that wasn't able to rot was just kind of floating in between, and there was nothing to hold it together.
Except for the rat turds and the roach turds and the dirt dauber nest. But we cleaned all of that out, so there's nothing holding it together anymore. Dear Lord.
What did you do?
What did we do? Always an adventure.
Always an adventure.
You know that's going on the camper, right? Somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm thinking across the back.
Maybe
in gold leaf.
Maybe. Because if you put it in the front, it's like, it's coming at you, so you don't.
It's always after that you know that it was an adventure. Yeah, in the back. Lake Calamità may be in the front. Oh, calamity. Okay, back to and look. This is my life right now. Everything looks like a freaking junkyard. I am so exhausted, and I'm doing laundry today. At the same time, doing all of this, and yeah, I'm exhausted. But it's keeping us busy. No one can say that we took retirement sitting on the couch watching TV, can they?
When have we ever done anything because it was easy?
Yes, we have.
We did.
That cruise we just took. That was because it was easy.
And it was a good deal.
And it was a good deal.
It was a crazy deal.
And it was really easy.
So, okay, there was one time that we did something that was easy.
I have to say the Antarctica cruise was really, really easy too.
That was hard to spend that kind of money.
Oh, that was hard to spend that kind of money.
But we did it.
But it was Antarctica.
It was Antarctica.
And we still paid half of what most people pay. Yeah, that was still a lot for us. Anyway. Hey, look what we paid for this piece of crap.
It's giving us some
motivation.
Focus,
yeah. Entertainment.
Frustration.
Adventure.
More curse words.